Tony! What's up, man? How are you?
Another day, another dollar. Oh, you get the mic?
Oh,
it's already on?
Yep.
Perfect. What's up, guys? Welcome to, can you hear me? Everything good? Perfect. So we're here in Fort Worth, Texas, right? Fort Worth, Texas. Check this out, we just got done installing. It's a 11.25 kW system. We got here probably around 8 a.m. Now it is finished. What is it, almost 3 o'clock, right? So it's a pretty quick installation, right? A lot of people think that the installation actually takes more than 1 day. But come with me, let's check this out, guys. So power, right? Power right here. As you can tell, like we showed you guys in the other videos, is that you see where the satellite is at, right? That's actually facing the south, right? That's what we're actually needing the most, so get the most sun exposure, right? So check this out. Panels, like we talked about it before, guys. It's gonna be producing energy, right? It's gonna be producing energy. So we're looking at, once it's producing energy, so it goes from the inverter, right? It's converting from DC current to AC current. Right now, AC is what we're currently using in our home, right? So it's gonna come from right here, DC, conversion to AC, right? Then down over here, like we mentioned before, we got the AC disconnect. Again, if something were to happen, if there's like an outage, if there's just anything, right? Boom, AC disconnect, shuts off the system, and now you're connected back to the grid, right? Then we have the conventional meter, which is right here. As you can tell, if you're in Encore, Encore is actually going to store credits for you guys. What does that even mean? So this is where net metering actually comes into play. Because right now, whenever the sun is producing the panels are actually producing a ton of energy, right? Producing a ton of energy, you're not gonna use it all, right? So what does that mean? So the excess energy is gonna go back into the grid, store it as credits for when? For example, at night. At night, the sun is not pumping energy, the solar panels are not producing the energy for you. You gotta pull it from somewhere. From where? From the grid, right? Cool, if you guys need a better explanation on that, reach out to me, 903-746-774. And let's go check out what's on the other side, guys. Come with me. Check this out. Bidirectional meter means that the utility company is actually gonna store the credits for you guys. That means that at night, whenever the sun is not producing energy, we're actually gonna be consuming energy from the grid. But you're not gonna be pulling energy, you're gonna be pulling credits, right? Actually, come over here, you actually see me right back over here. You can see the very front. Okay, so we just got done. We got here about 8 a.m. and actually we're gonna be done. It's about like 3 p.m. now, finishing up the project. But as you can tell right over here, right? We actually had to get HOA approval, right? Who takes care of that? We actually take care of that. We get the permitting done for you guys. We get from the very beginning to the very end, we take care of everything. So if you guys want to know more information, follow The Solar Channel on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. You can reach out to me at 903-746-7774. Again, remember the YouTube channel, The Solar Hero, always visiting The Solar Channel.